Meantime, it's been almost 2 years since a missing teacher in Greenbelt was found murdered. Now the 33-year-old man accused of killing her faced a judge. Our Lionel Donovan has more details from the courthouse in Prince George's County.
Earlier today, Prince George's County's newest county executive-elect Aisha Braveboy gave opening statements as she outlined the state's case against Harold Landon III. She spoke in front of a packed courtroom today as she went over the grisly details of 59-year-old Mariame Toure Sylla's death. As she went over the evidence with the jury, including showing pictures of Sylla's dismembered body, she said, quote, "We can't bring her back, but we can bring her justice." Sylla first went missing on July 29, 2023, after she reportedly went out for a walk and never returned home. In court, police officers who looked into Sylla's disappearance told jurors that when they went to Sylla's house, they found her purse and ID in her apartment, but Sylla was gone. 3 days later, court documents say police were called to the Roxanera Park in the Clinton area, where Sylla's body was found, decapitated and dismembered. Investigators were able to connect the homicide to Landon, who was already in custody for an unrelated domestic violence case, through phone records that placed him at the pond the day before Sylla's body was found. In court, Braveboy highlighted other evidence that points to Landon as Sylla's killer, such as Sylla's DNA being found on Landon's boots. The jury also heard from a witness who claims to have seen Landon at the pond area while he was walking his dog, and took pictures of Landon's vehicle. Sylla's sister also took the stand. She testified that Sylla moved to the U.S. in 2020 and found work as a teacher at the Dora Kennedy French Immersion School in Greenbelt. She also said she never heard from Sylla after July 29th. Landon now faces 5 counts, including first and second degree murder, first and second degree assault, and disposing of a body in an unauthorized place. Landon's defense attorney did remind the jury that there's no evidence that shows that Landon and Sylla knew each other before Sylla was killed, or that Landon had a motive to kill Sylla. However, he also said that a motive is not required for a first-degree murder charge. The jury was dismissed for the day and will be brought back in tomorrow to hear more testimony. And if convicted, Landon will spend the rest of his life behind bars. From the Prince George's County Courthouse, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.